Hello all, welcome to Pamita AI World 18. My name is Pamita Sikandari and you are watching my YouTube channel Pamita AI World. So all the students, this specific announcement is for not for teaching purpose. I have recorded this video, today's video, because today is 21st June 2025, and as you all students know or new subscriber or just watchers know that in India, not in India only, but all over the world, we celebrate Yoga Day. So today I'll share some yoga poses. Today I'll share with you all the students. I'll share some yoga poses which I daily use in my day-to-day routine personally. Fine. So as you all know that uh, from 21st June summer solstice start from today's also, as along with the yoga day, along with the yoga day as we know worldwide. So from summer solstice, yoga takes a very important role in our day-to-day life. All over the world we celebrate it, and most of the celebrities, or you can say our politicians or actors, actresses also, they do yoga for their own health benefits. So I thought I should record this video to all the worldwide subscriber or students, so that they can, whosoever is going through some difficult phase of their life, they can tackle this situation with the help of yoga very easily. So I'll share some yoga tips, or can say some yoga practice which I personally, me Pamita, I personally use this yoga for my own health benefits. Uh, why I am saying my own health benefits? Because since childhood I have asthmatic problem I had since childhood, but from last 2 to 3 years, by the time COVID-19 happened in all over the world, I started using these yoga practices in my day-to-day life, and you would be very uh, you would be very shocked to hear that my 20 to 25 years long asthmatic problem has totally vanished from my life. So I'll share that which yoga I used to erase this, I can say, deadly disease. Asthma is not a very happy go lucky disease, which everybody would get celebrate in their life. So I'll teach you that how I eradicate this deadly disease from my own life with the help of yoga. So which yoga I used, I'll tell you. Number one yoga which I used for eradicating this health issue is that is called Anulom Vilom. So what I used to do, that early in the morning when I used to wake up from my bed, I from bed only, whenever I open my eyes in the early morning, whether it is 4, 5 or say 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning, I just do some yoga to get my breath smoothly. Fine. So what I do is, first yoga I use is that is called Anulom Vilom. Fine. So how we do Anulom Vilom, I'll teach you that in that particular video. First what I do, I just take breath with the help of counting. I just take breath from my left nose like this. I hold my breath like this for 5 seconds, and that 5 seconds I count with the help of counting. Fine. So with the help of counting, how I use 1, hold the breath, then with the help of right nostril I release that air from the right nostril. Fine. And after releasing that air from the right nostril, again I will take breathe in for within 5 seconds. Fine. How? then release with the help of left nostril with the counting of 5. This way I used to do daily in the morning to eradicate my asthma. So it's very I'm very glad to tell you all the guys that I have eradicated my asthma completely from my life with the help of that yoga. This is the power of yoga for all the humankind, which irrespective of their religion, whether they are Muslim or they are Sikh or Christian or from any community you belong, you can use that yoga. Fine. So this particular yoga, first yoga I have used, and second yoga I used because as you all guys know that during COVID-19 everybody lost their job. Fine. Somebody lost their job, somebody lost their relationships, or some new disaster occurred during that time. So for mental peace, what I used in my daily life, which yoga I have used, that was called Bhramari. All the problem I have in my life, this is very coincidence to say that all the problem related to my health is from upper body only. Fine. Like from this stomach area, from above I have all the problems. So I used only those yogas which can help me to strong my this upper portion of the body. So I use that yoga only. So for that mental depression or anxiety, or you can say like many people face some people feel like they are going through their tough situation of their life. They don't know what to do, what not to do. They can't keep their mind calm. So how can you do this thing with the help of yoga? So I did that Bhramari yoga I used. How we do that Bhramari yoga? First, like we sound Om, like this we sound Om. That type of sound you have to use from inner side only with the help of like this we do. Fine. So how we pronounce Om? Like in humming sound. We'll do that. Fine. So by doing this you have to do along this you have to do the one thing that you have to take breath in like this. Hold your breath, and then keep these two fingers on eyes, one upper finger on your forehead and down finger, Anamika finger on your cheeks. And when you are holding your breath like this, you are taking breath from your nostril, and when you are releasing that again you are holding this breath for 5 seconds. With how we will count 5 seconds? With the help of counting from your heart. Chant this from your heart or mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release with the help of humming sound. Keep these two eye lobes closed. Fine. You don't have to keep your eye lobes open. So you have to close your ears with the help of this thumb. Close your eyes with the help of these two fingers, and keep your first finger on your forehead and the last finger on your cheeks, and then do this humming sound. This way I released all the depression and anxiety, tension, relationship issues in my life with the help of this Bhramari yoga. I have handled this situation with the help of the calm mind. Fine. This was the second yoga I used during my this journey of health benefits related yoga. Fine. This is the second thing. And third thing, what I used for my I had some problem related to my stomach also for past few years. So for that I used can say Bhastrika pranayam. What we do? Bhastrika. For that what I did, for that I'll go for back side and I'll show you guys like this. we have to exhale, not inhale. We have to just exhale our inner air from stomach to outside. Fine, we don't have to take breath inside. So how we'll do that? We'll do that. This is the third yoga I use in my day-to-day life to make my stomach muscles strong, to make my all the area below the navel strong. So I use this yoga for my own health benefit, and after that this is the third yoga I use. And for fourth yoga, what I use in my daily life is related to this nerves of hand nerves, because I have problem related to some nerve issue problem, blood related issue problem I faced for past few years, which is, if you can say it very closely, I have that black spot on my left hand. To keep this problem away from my, this is in doctor terms we can say, doctors say this term as I think cranial, I don't know what is the term they use for this particular disease. That too I am handling this problem nowadays with the help of yoga only. For that yoga I specifically do for handle this situation. I am specifically using that type of Anulom Vilom to handle this situation, because whenever I do this Anulom Vilom, this particular nerves get affected, and that black spot is nowadays it is disappearing. It was totally black for few days back, it was totally black, but with the help of yoga nowadays it is getting, I can say, it is getting that disease is also getting away from my life. So this is the power, or you can say magical touch of yoga. For my own life, I have used all these yoga to get myself health benefit in day-to-day life, and this is the way I am using yoga, and I hope you all the students, or not only students, few members who are just came here to watch this video just to check what yoga means to Indians in day-to-day life. This is the particular video I am recording to all the family members and to all the members of Amita AI World 18 members. So this is the way I am using yoga in my day-to-day life, and I hope all you guys can also get health benefit from this particular yoga. Not only on 21st June, please apply it to the day-to-day life for next year also. Like just take one oath that you will do yoga from today onwards. You will do yoga. You will, for half an hour you will do yoga for your own health benefits. All the students or all the members or all the citizens from worldwide, and you can make this. You can make your own call for good health and good health, good mind and good soul, so that you can work very easily and can get the health benefits for lifetime. Fine. So thanks a lot for watching Pamita AI World, and thanks a lot. And yes, of course, happy Yoga Day. Dhanyavad, namaskar, Jai Hind. Keep learning, happy learning. Thank you for trusting Pamita AI World 18.